Alright, the paint on this hood is pretty faded. You can see the difference between the hood and the side panel there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wax it. I'm going to start off with a cleaner and go to a glaze, and then I'm going to wax. I've already washed the hood, so now I'm just going to start the cleaner on there. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some on my pad, and I'm going to kind of spread it out before I turn it on. Put a glaze on there next. Get all this cleaned off before we put wax on. Now you can already see a difference in the sheen. See how dull that side is, how shiny this side still is. So we're going to go put the wax on it. You'll put the wax on, you'll let it sit until it turns into a haze, and you'll buff it off. You want to try not to get any of the wax on the plastics or rubbers. Alright, you want to let that sit. Let it dry, turn to a haze, and after it gets a haze on it, we'll buff it out. Alright, now that the wax is dried, we're going to buff it off. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but you do want to make sure you do this in the shade when you're waxing. All right. All right. See, it's got a nice shine to it now. It's what it was and what it is now. Alright, that's waxing the hood. That's been paint's been all faded. So, thanks for watching.